I'm the whitest pimp ever.
That's the idea. Take your next right. Comes out on Flatbush.
You sure I should be doing this without my gear?
That's the point. Kick-Ass isn't the costume. Kick-Ass is who you really are. Dave Lazowski is the mask.
Well, my mask is about to get its teeth kicked in.
Hey, Queer Bait. Where you going with those bags, man?
Tell him you're on your way to fuck his mother with a 12-inch strap on.
I'm just taking a walk. It really isn't what I do. I usually just call the cops.
Who you talking to, man?
I'm just on a call. It was...
You know, service around here sucks, man. Now give me the bags, faggot, before I make you suck my fat cock, huh? Come on.
Can you believe I let Mindy beat the snot out of me for weeks just so I could get my ass kicked again? So much for a team.
You ready to die, faggot?
You know, all that homophobic shit makes it sound super gay. If I ever catch you robbing again, Shitburger, I'm gonna go Saudi Arabia on your ass and cut your hand off. Promise when you're done with your life of crime?
I promise.
Pants on fire. What'd you think?
I think you almost got me killed.
No! What'd you think of my line? Pants on fire. I wrote a whole bunch of them.
Wood! I told him you saved me. Go!
Female suspect fleeing Flatbush, under 5 feet, masked, armed with nunchucks and a sword.
Hey, man.
Hey, Marcus, what's up?
I see you answered your phone. That means you're not in school.
I was, but I wasn't feeling so good, and so the nurse decided to send me home.
Poor thing. Well, I'm almost home. I'll make you some soup, and we can watch Jeopardy.
Alrighty, I'll see you soon, okay?
All right.
Hey, girl.